Hi everyone, today we will make this beginners friendly scarf. For that for that I am using 4 ply yarn and 5 hook. Here we will make 24 chain stitch, foundation chain that counts 24 chains. Like that we will make chains as much you want. You can make 15 chains or 20, 24, 30, as much you want. Here I have made 24 chains. Now I will do 2 extra chains. These 2 extra chains act as the first double crochet. Then I will insert the hook in third chain. I will make one double crochet here. Like that I will make one more double crochet in next chain. One more double crochet. Here I came to the end of the row. One double crochet in last chain, also one double crochet. Then turn the work. Here I will make one single crochet. Above that one more single crochet, or you can make 2 chains also. Now I have made one single crochet above one more single crochet. Then I will do double crochet. Continue the making double crochet entire row. This is the last chain. Turn the work, make 2 chains and continue the double crochet. Make desired length in what centimeter you want. I will show here. I have made this much. Now I will continue the work. Here I will change the color. For that one double crochet, change the color like this. Turn the work, make one single crochet, take the tail, one single crochet, above that one more single crochet that act as a one double crochet, or you can make 2 chains also. Next make one double crochet, next one double crochet. In each chain make one double crochet. Like that we will make double crochet in entire row. Continue the length as much you want. Here I will make 2.5 feet scarf. One double crochet, one more double crochet, next one more double crochet. This is very easy to make scarf. Like that we will finish the entire row. This is the last chain. We have one double crochet. Now turn the work and continue the increasing the row as much you want. Here I have finished the working. Now I have added the few tassels. In next video I will show how to make these tassels. Please subscribe my channel and add comments. Your comments will make me improve my work and like this project. This is the final look. Thanks for watching.